In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a round image in Webflow. We're going to turn any regular image into a clean, perfectly circular avatar using Webflow's built-in styling tools. This is quick, reliable, and fully responsive when set up thoughtfully. Let's jump in. Start by heading to your Webflow dashboard and open the project you want to edit. Make sure you're in the designer, not just previewing the site, so you can access the style panel and make changes that stick. On the canvas, click the image you want to make round. With the image selected, look to the right side of the screen for the Style panel and find the Size section. The key to a round image is to start with a square frame, so set the width and height to the same value. You can choose any size that fits your design, just make sure both numbers match. If the image sits inside a responsive layout, choose a size that feels balanced on your common breakpoints, and remember you can always refine later. If the image doesn't naturally fit the square, you might notice bits extending beyond the edges or the picture looking a little cramped. To keep everything tidy, set Overflow to Hidden. This tells the browser to clip anything that spills outside the square, which is essential before rounding the corners. If the image looks stretched or squished, consider using an image fit-like cover on the element so it fills the square without distortion. Next, open the border section in the Style panel. This is where the magic happens. Set the border radius to 50%. Because the element is a perfect square, a 50% radius rounds all corners equally and creates a perfect circle. Instantly, your square becomes a circular frame, cleanly cropping your image inside. If you like, you can also apply a subtle border or a soft shadow here for a polished avatar look, but that's optional. Take a quick look across your breakpoints to make sure the size feels right on tablet and mobile. If you used fixed pixel values, you can adjust them per breakpoint to keep the circle consistent. If you used percentage-based sizing, confirm that the height still matches the width so it remains a true circle everywhere. And that's it. You opened your site in Webflow, selected the image, made the width and height equal, hid any overflow, and set a 50% border radius. You now have a crisp, round image that's easy to maintain and reuse across your project.